the Vaporfly Next percent, $275. It's the most expensive shoes I've ever seen at the outlet. $275. Yeah, get 20% off there. What's going on, YouTube viewers? This your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Yeah, it's like 9:57. Apparently they opened up a couple minutes early today. Holy shit! Like the door's already open. So yeah, let's see what we can find, you guys. See what we can find. We are at the Nike outlet out in Santa Clarita. It's the Santa Clarita Clearance Center. So yeah, let's get them deals. 20% off everything. I see the sign already. 20% off everything. Cheapest I've ever seen these. 20% off. 20% off, you guys. I got these for under 100. It was like 99. This will drop it down to like 80 something. Not bad. Picked up on some bandolos. Nice. Nice. Got those going for 200. The Jordan 16 glows. Those will go for $100 at Shoe Palace. That's crazy. Saw these a couple weeks ago. The Nike IDs. Oh man, the one with the name on it. That's hilarious. On the size 13. I've never seen these. The KD Tray 5.7s. I've never seen these before. Interesting pair. Never seen these. They're huge though. And they look way different from the prior. Is that React on the bottom or Renew? Interesting. The Proto Max. 110. 20% off. Not terrible. Oh dang, that's a first. Vaporflex. Vapor Max. Oh, I'm sorry. Vaporfly Next. What? The Nape. I'm sorry, I'm just stupid. Alright, we got a pair of the Vapor Max Next. Okay, the Vaporfly Next percent, $275. It's the most expensive shoes I've ever seen at the outlet. $275. Yeah, get 20% off there. So yeah, incredibly light. Got that Zoom X. Got the carbon fiber plate inside. It's supposed to be Nike's best running shoe. Dang, that's crazy. $275. Wonder if they had it on sale or something when they took it out. But yeah, that's retail. You do get an extra 20% off. Crazy lights. It's 11.5. Usually they got plethora soldiers. Always got crazy selection of soldiers. Yeah, that's the cheapest I've ever seen the Air Force Max. 20% off on top of that. So it's what, $12 off? So $48, you guys. $48, not bad. Size 11 half. There really isn't much today because I was late. Yeah, you get here right at 10 o'clock. You need to get here 20 minutes before 10. The Legend React, $60, 20% off. So that's what, under $50, like $48 something. These as well. The Pegasus 35s, going for pretty cheap. They do have a really good. Their prices on running shoes are crazy good today. Look at that. They're all going for under $70. Oh, this is. Why is this one so expensive? Dang, just because of Flyknit? That's crazy. Oh, but look. Yeah, no, that has to be incorrect. Look at that. 120 for that one or 70 for that one. Yeah, that has to be off. 7.5 really didn't have much because that was late. So the other resellers picked everything up already. So yeah, we're in the size 11 instead of 11.5. You know all the Jordans and LeBrons are gone. All of them are gone. All picked up. Usual days, you always got a couple of pennies. The Air Max pennies, $80, size 11. Got the Air More Monies. I don't know who's getting these. These are just terrible. The up-tempo part looks cool, but the rest of it, the top, the upper on this, is just terrible. Look, that's just terrible. Whatever. But yeah, $80, 20% off. We do got a couple Vapor Max here. Yeah, there's no way they're going for $190. I don't know. These are usually going for like $109. Who knows? This is interesting for a personal cop. Size 14. Look. These are the PSGs, right? PSG 6s. Yeah. PSG 6s. Yeah, $225. You get that 20% off though. Those are your big footers, size 14. That's not bad. These are still here, man. These have been here for like a month, a couple months maybe. They still haven't dropped the price too. They still have not dropped the price. I don't understand, you guys. Look glows, LeBron system glows, and go for retail, man. That's crazy. Retail. That's just insane, you guys, dude. I've seen these go for like way cheap. I've seen these for under $100. Maybe not this colorway though. The 200? Nobody pay no 200. Come on. Come on, you guys. That's just crazy. Okay, 109. 109. That's not bad. These are pretty sick. Like the colors. A little hit of, is that red? Gold? I mean, not gold. Pink? Red? I don't know. That's pretty cool though. That's pretty cool. 109. 20% off. These are for 100. That's not bad. I guess this is the pinwheel version. Not bad. Damn, that's a shoe right there. Look at that. That's a shoe for a good price. I've never heard of these. The Rivals, super light. Damn, for $30? Holy shit. Wonder how much these are going for online. Damn, that's just crazy cheap. $30. $30, 20% off. That comes up to what, $24? $24, you guys. 24 pair of Nikes. $24 pair of Nikes, man. That's nuts. I'm in the size 10.5, man. I'm really not finding much at all, you guys. Yeah, that's what happens when you come late. I got here before 10, but they opened apparently a few minutes early, so the resellers are just bought everything, and you're left with stuff like this. Stuff like this. What the hell is this? Airshake Indestructs? I don't know, man. That's just terrible. That's terrible, but that's what happens when you're late, you guys. What happens when you're late. Got some Jordan 33s. All black. Go for close to 100 though. You get that 20% off. Or what, $18 off, $18.50 something. You know, so you're still looking at what, $76, $77? Not bad, I guess. Not bad. They did release the 34, so these should start plummeting in price. Should be seeing a plethora of these at the outlets soon. Size 10, still looking for steals. Not finding much, but we are still looking for steals. Starting to see a lot of these. Pegasus Turbo 35s. But every time I see them at the outlets, you guys, they look like they've been worn. Maybe they're just tried on, because like I said, these do crease like after you try it on like 1 or 2 times, because the cushioning is just so comfortable and so cushiony, so soft. So yeah, but yeah, go for under 100. I've seen a few of these now here. Under 100 for $20 off, $80 some dollars, probably like $84, 84 something. Not bad. Pegasus 35, go for $70. Those of you runners, you guys know about these shoes. They're the most popular running shoes. Pegasus 35 almost the exact same as the Pegasus 36, so if you guys are looking for running shoes, 35, those are the ones to get. Really good discount on them. The Be True Pegasus Turbos, but they've been sitting, man. I've been seeing this here for a few weeks now. They're selling them for retail. Get that 20% off, but still not that great of a deal. I saw one of them other resellers pick one of these up. There's no value. Are people really paying that much for these? These are $80. You'd have to sell them for at least like $150 to make a profit. I'd sell for at least $150. Are they that sought after? Yeah, I'll have to check. Let me check. I've seen a couple of these here now. Ain't nobody buying these, right? I'm 99% sure ain't nobody buying these, especially for retail or above retail, because yeah, one says $34 would be what, $136 for these? Man, they should have just made the whole bottom part patent leather, man. That's just, I don't know why you guys messed up on these. Jordan 11 lows for under retail if you guys want them at the clearance center. Got a restock. Nothing much though. Still got a restock though. Okay, let's checking out the restock. There's nothing good. So Yeah, we're in the size 8.5 now. Kind of ended up here. Let's see what we got find. Searching for steals and deals. Deals and deals, you guys. Okay, 8.5. There's some Pegasus 36. It's almost identical to 35, but hey, these guys who want the latest running shoes, hey, find them every once in a while at the outlets. Look at these Air Max going for 94, 20% off. So $77, they're still sitting. Still sitting, that's crazy. I'll look it up. Got these, plenty of these guys going for 135. Still haven't lowered the price, man. But I always got plenty of those Volt 720s, man. Running shoes galore today, look. 7.5 Pegasus Turbo 2s. I don't know how they're different. Looks like the upper slightly different from the Pegasus Turbo 1s, but yeah. And you get a slight discount, $36 off. So is that 144? 144, you guys. Not bad. Or you could just mess around and get the Nike Epic React Flyknit right next door. Yeah, I got you. 75, 20% off. Not bad. Better deal. Resellers killing it. The resellers killing it. Look at that. The KDs. Nice. 13. Size 13. Look. I don't know this colorway, but yeah, not bad. White and obsidian? White and obsidian. It says gold on it too. I don't see no gold. I'm gonna go for 110, 20% off. 20% off. Another restock. I haven't seen them do so many restocks so early in the morning. Crazy. The resellers follow the people doing the restocks. They're currently doing the restock, so yeah, they're not allowed to take it off of that cart. You have to wait till they go up there, so the resellers just literally follow them. It's hilarious to see. Backpack section, seeing if anything sells. Found these for 45, and you get an extra 30% off. So yeah, did the math. I think this might sell. I'm gonna take it home and see what happens, you guys. Find you guys. Look at this. So why not Westbrook jersey? Looks like the retail's gonna be $90. Selling for $29.99 plus an additional 30% off. That's like what, $21? $21, you guys. And these are selling. They're selling. Look at what I see on. They're selling, you guys. That's interesting. So I was looking in the bag section as you guys just saw. And look, I think I'm gonna get a couple of these. They're selling for a decent amount. So I'm gonna get a couple of these. They're selling for a decent amount. So yeah, but I think I'm gonna cop them, see how they sell. So this is what I'm getting. I'm getting one of the Jordan Hydro 11. It's the Emerald. And this Nike SB backpack. This bad boy's going for 45, 30% off. And we're showing those on eBay. This Why Not jersey. $30, 20% off. I think it's like $21. Believe it or not, they're selling for $50, $60 online. And then these bags, I'm so curious on how these bags do. They're 40, 30% off, so it's $31. And then, oh shit, 404 times 2. Actually, no, they're under $30. I'm sorry, $28 something. 30, yeah, $28 or something. See, I'm getting two. I might throw one online and one might be for the family. We'll see. I'll see you guys. I actually looked at these earlier and I just walked by these. Look at this. They got Kuzma jerseys. Oh shit. Sorry. So I walked by earlier. And look what I missed. They got Kuzma jerseys. They're all extra larges, man. $39.99 plus the 30% off I showed earlier. Dang, they come out to what? $29 or something? $28? Holy crap. But they're all extra large, man. That's just crazy. That's just crazy, you guys. They also got these Cleveland, the Land, LeBron James jerseys. These are what? $39.99 as well, so what, $28? $28. But those are all extra larges. They also got a couple smalls. But man, damn, if they had largest of those, I would totally cop those. I got these Jordan jerseys. These jerseys. Say Jordan on the back. Those are kind of interesting. But yeah. So they also got these land jerseys, the Cleveland jerseys for the LeBrons. These are size smalls. So they got small and extra large. That's it. Alright, so I got a little return I need to make. So yeah, went to the car, grabbed that, grabbed my stuff, and now time to go wait in line, you guys. Time to go wait in line. It's always packed, so always got a nice line. So my man right there, he got some Giannis's in his hands. He got those bad boys for $50. I think they were like $59.99 plus 20% off. I was floored. I was crazy. I was super jealous. $50 off using the MVP. Y'all need to sign up for that Nike app ASAP. You're in, buddy. So I got a bunch of stuff to flip on eBay. You know, I just spent what total came out to like $150 or something, but I had that $50 MVP pass, so I used that bad boy. So yeah, it came out to like $90-some. Yeah, we'll see how much we could turn this into. You know, I got what 2 bags. One I think I'm gonna keep. So I got 1 bag, 1 backpack, a pair of sandals, and that jersey. So yeah, we'll see how much we can flip these for. Hopefully I could give you guys a results video. You like these type of videos, make sure you go ahead, subscribe, press that like button. Yeah, make sure you watch all my videos, you guys. I got at least 60 videos. You know, I think they're all pretty entertaining, they're all pretty good. So yeah, make sure you guys watch all them videos. Make sure you guys leave me some comments, let me know what you guys think. I don't know, what was my favorite purchase? What was my favorite purchase of the day, you guys? Let me know what you guys would have copped. And yeah, so see you guys in the next one, you guys. Peace.